So this one's called Two Truths and a Lie. And basically the idea here is you give us three statements, amongst which two of them are true and one of them is a lie. And then we have to guess which is the lie.
Okay.
And these statements can be anything about your personal journey, challenges, achievements, something to do with the company, entirely up to you.
Okay. Do you guys think I've had 5 meals in 4 days with the founder of Paytm? Met Tony Blair? Got a token or a gift from Peter Thiel after pitching him a certain idea on how to mobilize gold?
I think the second one is a lie. That's the one I'm
Yeah, I'm going to go with that you've met Tony Blair. That's a lie.
No.
That's the truth?
That's the truth?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. So then we can still try one.
Still true, yeah. Which one?
Is it Vijay Shekhar Sharma or
I'm gonna
Peter
go
Thiel?
with the gift.
You think that's a lie?
Yeah.
I'll go with 5 meals in 4 days. Maybe it's 4 meals in 4 days. Who knows?
Smart. No. The third one's a lie.
Okay.
Oh,
So
nice.
5 meals in 4 days.
Yeah,
So
well,
a lot of
when did you meet
conversation.
Vijay?
Okay, so I was fortunate enough to basically be invited to the World Economic Forum last year, and even this, like in 2024 Jan again. It's nuts, like that. I mean, pretty much know about the WEF since probably 7th grade, right? If you do
Of course,
economics
yes.
or just study business, you know about this place. So yeah, that was quite a lucky thing that happened, and that place has, like, India has a big presence there. So
Yeah.
there's like a Maharashtra lounge, India lounge, Saudi lounge. We have big companies set, their branding systems over there. So yeah, connect with him over there. Pretty friendly.
Yeah.
Went for a bunch of meals and just like 3 of us, 4 of us, one-on-one, certain round tables. Yes, that happened.
Very cool.
Pretty cool, yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
When you met Tony Blair.
And there also, yeah. Over there,
Oh, is that so? Nice.
I mean, that's so. If once you start like speaking about what Davos does to you, once you're there, you might feel like this guy's just speaking lies. Like, trust me, this is still toned down.
Oh, no. I know. I've heard a lot
Probably
of...
discuss off camera will be very different.
I know.
of,
I've heard many stories from Davos.
Open your eyes in terms of this world actually exists. Like what people speak about, they aren't lying.
Yeah, we're actually in the process of conceptualizing a similar property for India. Like, how do you take, because like we have a lot of things that happen in India, like the ET summit, etc.
Right.
But none of them are even, like, not even 1% at the level of what going to Davos does to you. Like, and I'm talking about the intangible, like, feeling you feel when you leave from there.
I feel it's more about that. That's one way of putting it, but it's more about, it's also the place, right? Like, it's like this 3-4 kilometer stretch.
Yeah.
And these chalets are just there. It's an experience by itself. It's negative 14 degrees. You're just walking on ice, trying to go from one meeting to another, figuring stuff out, events. So much is happening over there. It's also, I'm telling you, it's the place. I think the place matters more than just who you're going to invite, right? Like, the people will be like, we don't want to come for this particular event. And you'll be like, dude, it's like probably the top 10 richest person who's sitting like with you here, and he's just randomly talking of food. And bro, like, and some person doesn't know this guy is, and you're just laughing at the person, like, what's happening here? Right? You're just figuring, like, what's this world? But you can't compare in terms of how the setup is, the kind of money that's spent there in those 5 days. We'll speak about it later on. I don't want to throw numbers.
Fair enough.
Fair.